Hi everyone, welcome back to Repairs to Go channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy S9 if you've forgotten your pattern, PIN, or password. This method will completely wipe the phone and restore it to factory settings, so make sure to back up anything important if you can. Important, this process will erase all your data, including apps, photos, and accounts. Also, make sure you know the Google account previously linked to the device, because you'll need it after the reset due to FRP, Factory Reset Protection. Even if you try to turn off the device, you can't turn it off, because it will require a password or a pattern. So, the next step is to perform a forced restart by holding down the volume down and power buttons simultaneously until the screen turns off. The moment the screen goes black, quickly switch to pressing and holding the volume up, Bixby, and power buttons all at the same time. Keep holding until you see the Samsung logo, then release all buttons to enter recovery mode. In this menu, you'll use the volume up and down buttons to navigate and the power button to make selections. Scroll to the option that says Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and press the power button to select it. You'll be asked to confirm, select Yes to proceed. The phone will begin erasing all data, and once it's complete, you'll see the message, Data Wipe Complete, at the bottom of the screen. Now select Reboot System Now to restart your device. When it boots back up, your Galaxy S9 will be reset to factory settings, just like when it was brand new. However, take note, if the device was previously signed into a Google account, Factory Reset Protection, FRP, will activate, and you'll need to enter those credentials to complete the setup. This is a security feature to prevent unauthorized access after a reset. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy S9 has been successfully reset to its factory settings. It's now ready to be set up as a brand new device. If you're still having trouble on how to do the recovery mode, feel free to reach out in the comments. I'll try to help you out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Shout out to Bored Vlogger. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.